This question is on the graphical representation of sound waves, and the answer to this question is C. Now, for graph questions in sound, we must first look at what the graph represents. So in this case, it's a pressure against distance graph, and as we know, compressions are areas where the air pressure is higher than atmospheric pressure. That's why P represents the particles at the compression. Now, on the other hand, rarefaction represents air particles that has lower air pressure than atmospheric pressure. So Q represents the rarefaction point. Now, a wavelength is a distance, and therefore the distance of one complete cycle from P all the way to the other crest, that will be the wavelength. Now, a thing to note is that for a pressure distance graph, the horizontal axis doesn't represent zero pressure. In a typical graph, usually the horizontal axis, x-axis, represents zero. But in this case, the horizontal axis represents atmospheric pressure, and if the graph is above the horizontal axis, it means that the pressure is higher than atmospheric pressure. If the graph is below the horizontal axis, it means that the pressure is lower than atmospheric pressure. So just need to take note of this special value for the x-axis in a pressure distance graph.